Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you how to use a virtual number to register WhatsApp. Okay, so a lot of people, as in businesses or they need multiple accounts on WhatsApp, they only have one number or maybe two number, but they want more WhatsApp. So how do you do it? Actually, it's very easy. First of all, you need to figure out how to get a virtual number. In order to get a virtual number, there's actually 3 apps I will recommend you to do it. So so you basically need to download all these 3 apps. Okay, I will put the link in the description below. Basically, you need to download all these 3 apps. Now, after you download these 3 apps, you just basically need to register with your Gmail or your Google account, and now you register a number. Once you register a number, now you can only do text, you cannot do call. Now you go back to your WhatsApp, and now you actually register as in normal how you register WhatsApp. You put your number in, and then send you a code to your whatever the app that you download. Now when they send you the code, you actually put the code in, and then now you're ready to go. Remember, each Gmail is one number. So if you have multiple Gmails, you can actually register multiple numbers. Okay, so basically if you want to download multiple WhatsApp, you can actually put different account with different numbers with these 3 apps. Okay, so I hope this video will help you. Subscribe my channel and share this video, and I will have a video very soon. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye. Peace out.